it should have been painfully obvious to everybody. The answer was so simple. I was hitting my head wondering why nobody did this. Johan is not going to kill Tenma. No matter what, Johan is
Yeah, it's
not going to kill Tenma.
Hmm.
All Tenma had to do was go to Lilje and be like, listen, man, listen, please, listen, you're not believing me when I tell you there is this blonde ass mass murderer out there. How about this? I will offer myself up as bait, okay? When that fucker comes for me, you catch him. I will find him. Just follow me around. I will wear a tracker on my arms, my legs, my neck, whatever you want. Just let me after him. You can come with me. Here is my gun that I bought and trained with. You can shoot me straight through the eyes if I do anything. Just I will prove his existence. That's all he had to do. And if Lunge saw that, he'd be like, okay, you know what? This guy seems crazy, but he has no weapons, and he
no.
seems to think there is some insane conspiracy. Let's see if there is actually something. Sure, why don't you do it?
Dude, Lanche wouldn't do that.
Yeah,
Lanche,
Lanche wouldn't do
dude,
that.
even after Tenma saved his life, Lanche is like, ooh, very interesting, Tenma, nice. I'm gonna hunt for you. Even after he saved
Yeah,
his
but
life.
I'm not saying go up to him and make a deal with him face to face. I'm saying
And
leave him a
Tenma
note or
couldn't change.
something. Leave him a
Yeah.
note saying I am going to be here. I will prove Johan is real. And then Lange is going to be like, thanks for the free information, fucker, and I'm going to come to catch your ass. And then he comes there and
Lanche
Johan is
got a
standing
lot of,
opposite Tenma, and
yeah.
Lange will be like, huh? Huh? There is a blonde guy.
Yeah.
Hold on. What?
That's what happened in the end. Lanche was
Exactly.
not convinced. Till towards the end, he was like, oh shit, I made a mistake. Bro,
Exactly. Why
like,
not
I
do
was
it a
so
little earlier?
yeah. He just wanted it to be Tenma. I don't know what was hell bent on his
No, no,
character. He
I'm
was
not.
like,
I
yes,
understand. I understand his point of view. Is like this Tenma motherfucker trying to trick me.
it's
Lama thinks
crazy.
I'm a
Yeah.
noob. You think I don't know
No,
this
but
old ass trick
he
in the
got a lot
book?
of clues. He got a lot of clues. It was only towards the end. He ignored all the clues that he got that it was
Yeah, yeah.
Johan.
But I'm
Didn't he
saying,
also see the photo of the orphanage like
yeah,
Johan
yeah.
next to the bed? Yeah. So
But
what's a bigger clue
I'm
than
just
that?
like, no. He's probably like, okay, Tenma just saw Johan the child, and he automatically made that a part of his brain so that we could conveniently blame it on a child.
Okay.
But if he's anyway going to chase after you, Tenma, just leave him a clue. Take him, lure out Johan, lure out Lunji into the same place. All you have to do is prove that he exists. That's all you have to do. The minute that happens, Tenma is free from the law at least. He can go chasing Johan at his own
Yeah.
time. He doesn't have to worry about random people being like Japanese doctor, hello police.
Yeah. Apparently, he doesn't care enough about Lanche to
But I
even
think
talk
I
to
think
him
that
and
idea
hold
would
a
have gone
conversation.
through his head, right?
He didn't care enough about Lanche. He just kept avoiding the law at all points. He
Yeah,
was
but
he was like
that's what I'm
head
saying.
set
They
on
can be
one
they
goal.
can
Like
be
he
the
was like
smartest and the
Johan.
dumbest
I will
people
only
in the room.
Johan.
Because
Yeah.
because if this dumbass, if Enma, if he had just said, okay, here cops, I prove my innocence to you. Please let me go free. Please don't chase me through the entirety of fucking Europe because you guys have no other job to do. I am not a murderer. I've proven it. Leave me alone. They're like,
Did he
okay,
die?
you're
Yes.
fine.
Ah.
Let's not and pretend. Like, yes, 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 yes. You're right. Interesting. Oh, I don't know about that.
I don't even.
Maybe.
Can you hear me now? I'm still talking.
He died.
Hmm.
Well, Audi.
So much for a
So,
short episode.
Lunge.
I could literally hear you guys and I was talking. I don't know why. Anything.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Uh,
But yeah,
Yeah, yeah. I'm saying is if he had just proven that he was innocent, he would have had a much, much easier time in life.
he would have, yeah. But he just decided somehow to just avoid that whole thing and just ignore them and
Exactly.
go for Johan.
How stupid for a man who's supposed to be one of the smartest people in the manga. How
Apparently, he is.
tunnel visioned can you get
Yeah, he was
in such an
totally tunnel
important
visioned. Yeah,
situation?
that's all he was. He was tunnel visioned, and all he could see was Johan. He must find Johan. He ignored everyone else around him.
Which makes no sense because like must find Johan. Oh wait, I'm
Yeah,
surrounded by cops. Cops, I'm innocent. Okay, now I can find you. That makes so much more sense.
yeah. He was on this. He was in such a hurry, even though there were like so many time skips throughout the manga.
Yeah,
He was still in a hurry over the years.
yeah, he was.
Yeah, that was weird. This Tenma's character was very strange to me.
Yeah,
I think if he tried to contact Lunge in any way, Lunge, then I think the idea went through his head that if he tried to pass a note saying that I'm innocent, please just come through this location and shit. Lanjay would have probably lunged at the chance and fuck it. Okay, he would have jumped at the chance and he would have been like, okay, who was it that sent this note? Follow that person now. Get hold of that person, interrogate them, and and they'll just keep harassing this chain of people until they find Tenma itself.
Sir, if Tenma himself leaves the note, who are they going to harass? Except
Why
Tenma.
the fuck would Tenma go to a police station? Then that kind of beats the whole purpose of.
I'm sorry. Yeah. That doesn't make sense. But him being in a car with a police officer who is parked right in front of a police station, that is like fine. He's like, hey, hide your head, and that's it. Cops are like, that man is hidden his head.
Yeah,
who is he?
just-
Whoa, who is?
Yeah, he just turns his fucking head to the right and is like, that's more than enough. That's somehow more than enough cover to just.
He didn't care about getting caught also, by the way.
What?
He didn't seem to care about getting caught also in so many situations where he was so close. Like even the Dr. Chan thing in the beginning.
Yeah.
He was going to get caught. Someone else, like the other doctor, saved him. He was like okay with it. He wasn't even. He was like, yeah, if I get caught, I guess. And that's how he went to prison. Also, remember?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was. I don't know. He was very carefree about that part of this. I don't know why.
No, that's still like okay, but then like, god damn it, what I don't understand.
How can you be carefree about getting arrested, dude?
Because he doesn't give a shit about life anymore. That's basically it. He doesn't give a shit.
Yeah, he's just dead. That's what I'm saying. But it still deters him from his purpose. So if you are tunnel vision towards Johan,
he has no purpose per se. It's more because he lost his purpose. He was like, I created a monster when I was supposed to save lives. How can I atone for that? So he has no purpose. He just has guilt. He just has to find a way to feel okay about himself. And if
but he knows what he has to do. He's not like
he knows what he can do. It's like I brought him back to life. The least I can do is get him down. But then if he's arrested, he's like, I am still atoning for my sins. I am still paying the price for bringing this monster back to life.
Is what he wanted to do, which is to kill Johan. It's like that will still be something he'll still have to do, right? So he'll still be.
Yeah, but I'm saying he's still going to suffer. He's still going to atone.
Trying to do that. He spent years trying to do that, right? At that point,
Yeah.
if he gets arrested, that just makes it longer.
Yeah, but then my point is that if he's arrested, he is still atoning for his sin, which is what he wants to do. He doesn't care about killing Johan as much as he cares about atoning for his sin. Because in multiple times he says I have to kill Johan, and when they're like, why? He's like, I brought that monster back to life. That is the main thing. It's his regret of bringing him back to life. So So
you're saying he was focused, but he also wasn't really focused on doing that?
He was focused on Johan. I'm not saying he wasn't focused on Johan, but I'm saying Johan was not his, what do I say? It wasn't his passion in life or his goal in life to kill Johan.
It was.
No, he just wanted to he just wanted to correct that mistake. That's all.
Yeah, so that's what it was. You're just saying it in another way.
Yeah, but I'm saying it doesn't matter even if he doesn't kill Johan, as long as he can atone for that mistake in some way or the other. He believes that the best way to atone for the mistake is to kill Johan. But if he goes to prison, he is still atoning for the murders that Johan did and that was pinned on him.
But it's not what he wants. That's what I'm saying. It's not what he wants to do.
No, again, he wants to atone. It can be in any way. Otherwise, he wouldn't want to be caught under any circumstance.
Yeah, but it's still his purpose to get to Johan. Like, if you want to do something,
why
would you be okay with something else?
It's not really purpose. It's more of regret. It doesn't have a purpose. It's not like my life goal is to kill Johan. It's like, I brought him back to life, so how do I regret it? What can I do to stop that regret?
The only thing he does. It is kind of a goal. That's the only thing he wants to do throughout the manga.
Because
he's like, Johan.
Regret. He's like, I regret it. What can I do to stop regretting it? What
I'm not talking about the reason, but he still wanted to do that one thing.
Again, that's what I'm saying. You're thinking about it as only one thing. It's not only one thing.
It is what he wanted to do.
That's the only path he could. He was like, okay, I have to kill him. What are the choices?
So then why would he be okay with something else if that was literally what they showed him doing throughout the manga?
Okay, to add on to this point, in the end, he didn't kill him. In the end, he could.
Yeah, but he did.
If that was his
Yeah.
purpose, he would have shot
Yeah.
him dead right there. But that
Yeah,
wasn't his
because
goal
he's
at all.
still
That
in
wasn't
the
his
end
purpose.
he's a nice person.
No,
He's too
that
nice.
wasn't his
apparently.
purpose. That's my point. It was just the regret of bringing Johan back to life, which he had to internally manage somehow. Internally, he felt guilty for all the murders that were committed because he brought Johan back to life. In the end, he just wanted to atone for his sin, which was bringing him back to life. It can be done in any way, but he thought that he had to kill him to make it right.
Yeah. He thought that at that point, right? So that's what he was trying to do. So he wouldn't be. Why would he be okay with just getting caught? Because then what he thought, what he was trying to do, wouldn't happen, would it?
Yeah, because but he's still paying the price for for the actions he committed, right?
Yeah, I'm not saying he's not paying the price. Yeah, he is, but not in the way he wanted to.
Yeah, but that's
That's
my
what I'm
point.
saying.
It doesn't have to be any particular way. He just wants to pay the
It
price
doesn't
in some
have
way.
to be. I know, I understand, but it's what he wanted to do. Is what I'm saying. I'm not
You
saying
don't
it
know
has
that.
to.
You don't know that is my point.
Because you know that it's all he does throughout the whole manga.
It's all
the most
that's all
obvious
he
thing.
discusses, but in the end he can't do it. He doesn't do it.
Yeah, but that's what I'm
Dude,
saying.
there's
In
so
the end,
many
he doesn't
times
do it.
there's so many times where he could have actually killed Johan,
See,
but he couldn't.
listen. You yourself said it's what he wanted to do, regardless of whether he did it in the end or not. That's what he wanted to do throughout the whole series, didn't he? That's what he
what he
wanted to
thought
do
he could
throughout.
do. That he didn't know
Yeah,
any
that's
other
what I'm
option.
saying. You said that's what he wanted to do. Don't change your words.
I said
No,
that's
he
what he-
actually said that's what he thought he could do. Yeah.
Yeah, I said that. I didn't say that's
Yeah,
what he
that's-
wanted to do.
He spent the whole manga. He's like, I'm gonna kill Johan. Whether he did it in the end or not, that's what he was trying to do all this while, right?
No, if you look at
No,
the
but
start of
yeah.
the
It was
manga,
on this
actually
journey.
that's not how he starts at all.
Yeah, the start is very different. I'm not talking about that.
Hey, so just conveniently ignore the part that brings up this whole thing.
Dude, of course, that before that he was just a nice doctor. How does that relate to what he wanted to do?
From the time he learns about what Johan did, he doesn't say I'm going to kill him right at the start. He always wants to find some other way to make up for what he had done. And
Yeah,
then
he does.
he's like, oh my god, I feel cornered. I think I might just have to kill him. I don't think I have another option.
No, he doesn't say that towards the end. Even after he realizes the repercussions of what's happening, how many people are dying. Midway, he realizes. Even before that, he realized that he needs to kill Johan.
Yeah,
It
but it's
doesn't
not at
happen
the
in
start.
end.
Till that point,
It's not at the start, but it's almost after that.
it takes
if
a
you-
while for him to
No,
for him
it
to
doesn't
say.
take
Of
a while,
course, it
bro.
does.
No,
Of
I
course it
remember it
does.
happens. It happens in the beginning of his journey.
Okay,
can look it up.
give me an approximate chapter count.
I can't give you a chapter count.
Approximate.
I don't know, but I'm saying it happens in the beginning of his journey.
Okay, how long after his journey started?
I don't know.
What do you mean by beginning then? God damn it, if you're telling me no time frame except beginning. What
That's
does that
for
mean?
you to find out. Okay, that's your problem.
No, actually,
I know what I'm saying.
I'm telling you,
Yeah.
I know that it takes a while. You're saying it doesn't. So you have to tell me where it doesn't take a while.
No,
Where is it shown?
So I'll read the manga and figure it out yourself. That's not my problem. It's yours.
It is technically yours. The burden of proof lies on you here.
No, I just say what I want to say,
Yeah,
and that's it. That's how it works.
If you want to offer
I
any
don't have
proof, this is where you
have any
start.
burden of proof. Either you listen to me or you don't. That's up to you.
But you're
I'm gonna
completely
say what
wrong here. That's my point.
and I'm gonna say I'm not, and that's how this works. What are you gonna do about it?
Well, you're wrong. I'm the
I
editor,
know I'm
so I know exactly what I'm going to do about it.
Well, yeah, that
goodness.
proves that you're wrong if you edit it out. That's it.
Bro, don't worry, bro. I'm not going to edit it out. Don't you worry.
Proves that you're wrong. That's it. End of story.
Don't worry. Nobody's even going to see this part.
Exactly. That doesn't matter. I still said what I have to say to you. I don't care about if people are